Some basic food ingredients helps improve your sexual energy, testosterone levels, fertility and staying power. It's all about getting the right amounts of the vitamins and minerals which play a key role in reproduction and libido. These 6 foods are packed with nutrients that can perk up your libido and improve your overall health too. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is sometimes referred to as natural Viagra because it contains citrulline, a compound that helps the body relax blood vessels, boosting blood flow. This popular summer fruit is low in calories but also high in potentially libido-boosting phytonutrients. In 2008, Texas research suggested that the lycopene, citrulline, and beta-carotene found in watermelon help relax blood vessels and provide a natural enhancement for revving up your sex drive. Researchers have studied lycopene and other individual plant compounds in watermelon for their anti-cancer effects. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide. Several nutrients in watermelon have specific benefits for heart health. Studies suggest that lycopene helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. It can also help prevent oxidative damage to cholesterol. According to studies in obese, watermelon also reduces the stiffness and thickness of artery walls. 2. Garlic. Garlic can do wonders for your libido. Garlic has always been seen as a miracle herb that heals body organs. It normalizes the blood flow, especially towards the penis. Many ancient civilizations have used garlic to increase and heals the sexuality. Garlic just might help your sex life. Just make sure your partner eats some too. Garlic improves blood circulation, which improves sexual function. It is not just good for your love life, but for your real heart health as well. Garlic fights heart disease, decreases blood pressure, and prevents blood clots. It has been said to lower cholesterol as well. But these are not the only garlic health benefits. Garlic contains allicin, which has many positive effects as an antioxidant, trapping free radicals, and it also helps to rid the body of toxins, improving liver function. 3. Bananas. Bananas contains bromelain, an enzyme that increases sex drive and reverse impotence in men. Bromelain is also found in pineapple. Bananas are high in potassium and riboflavin, which increase the body's energy levels, so that makes them a great snack to eat before a workout. Potassium is essential for blood pressure control and healthy kidney function. As a good dietary source of potassium, bananas is also beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. One 13-year study in women determined that those who ate bananas 2 to 3 times per week were 33% less likely to develop kidney disease. 4. Meat. Include a variety of meats in your diet to improve your sex life. Beef, chicken, and pork contain carnitine, L-arginine, and zinc. Carnitine and L-arginine are amino acids that improve blood flow. Uninterrupted blood flow is crucial to sexual response in both men and women. According to research, these 2 nutrients effectively treat erectile dysfunction in some men. Goat meat makes men powerful. It helps in improving sex power among men because it contains torpedo and bile, which enhances the ability of male sexuality. Goat meat helps in iron recovery among women during menstruation and gives relief from the menstrual pain. 5. Eggs. Eggs are one of the few foods that should be classified as superfoods. They are loaded with nutrients, some of which are rare in the modern diet. Eggs are rich in vitamins B6 and B5. These help balance hormone levels and fight stress, 2 things that are crucial to a healthy libido. Eggs are also a symbol of fertility and rebirth. Eating raw chicken eggs just prior to sex is said to heighten libido and maximize energy levels. Eggs are rich in several nutrients that promote heart health, such as betaine and choline. A recent study of nearly 500,000 people in China suggests that eating 1 egg a day reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. 6. Avocado. Avocados have long been considered sexual enhancers. This fruit is high in folic acid, which breaks down protein and boosts energy. Avocados contain a good amount of monounsaturated fat, the healthy fat that is necessary for hormone production. In addition, They're rich in vitamin B6 and potassium, both of which boost male hormone production and give you enough energy to last in the bedroom.